I survived the challenge of burning belly fat and achieving toned abs, and I'm thrilled to share my journey. I spent just 20 minutes each day on targeted exercises, and the results were transformative. I saved time by fitting these effective workouts into my daily routine, even on the busiest days. I built a routine that combined core-busting moves like bicycle crunches and leg raises with dynamic planks. The toughest part was maintaining motivation through slow progress, but I got through it by staying committed and tracking my results. Physically, I noticed a significant reduction in belly fat and a much firmer core. Mentally, I felt empowered and more confident. These exercises didn't just reshape my body, they reshaped my mindset. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Staying consistent was crucial. Setting small, achievable goals and monitoring my progress kept me on track. If you're ready to start, remember, success comes from small, consistent efforts. Incorporate these exercises into your routine and watch your body transform. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.